Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I was in Sumi and there was shortage of food and water, but we survived. Later on, the Indian embassy officers provided us with food, water and other essentials. We heard a lot of shelling and we saw a lot of bombs. It scared all of us, and the only hope was the Indian embassy, and they did something, so we really appreciate it.
You are the last Goa student who is coming back to Goa?
Yes, I'm the last Goan student who came back.
Yeah, it was for almost 14 days that we were in distress, complete distress, because these children, there was bombing going on, shelling there in a place called Sumi, which was very close to the Russian border. And so the army and the Russians were passing through Sumi to come to attack all the other places in Ukraine. So they were in grave danger because they couldn't get out at all. Because there's all the time bombing, shelling. They have even seen, I remember one time he said, Mama, one jet passed by and he just dropped a bomb there close to our hostel. And each time they had to go running to the bunkers. There's food problem, there's water problem, there's no sleep. Every half an hour go down to the bunkers, come back up again.
Where he was most of the time he was living in bunkers. Fearful life. Every time he used to tell Papa bombing, and I'm running, don't call me, and he used to be in the bunkers all the time. And he's a brave, he's come like as a brave, soldier of the place. And that's really nice of him. And he has got a strong determination. He has learned a lot of things, how to move in life, how to take care of himself when parents are not around very close by, when they're far away. And he wishes to go back and complete his studies.